The man who waited for a cough. Kian was a simple, kindly man who believed every word he heard. He heard a wise person say, "God is the guarantor of provision for all creatures." Wonderful, Kian thought. I will go to the quietest place, sit perfectly still, and wait for my guaranteed provision to arrive. He chose a grand old mosque, far from the noises of the town. Kian entered the prayer hall, bowed in worship, and then sat down perfectly still on a quiet mat. The sun climbed high, painting the patterned floor with bright colors through the stained glass windows. Kian waited. Noon turned to afternoon, and afternoon melted into dusk. His stomach grumbled like a sleepy bear, and his head began to feel light. Still, he waited. Patience. He whispered into the silence. As the last sliver of sun vanished, the hall grew dark and cold. Just then, a dervish named Rashid entered, carrying a worn leather saddlebag and a walking staff. Rashid found a quiet corner in the shadows, lit a small bright oil lamp, and began to unpack his dinner. Warm, fragrant stew, soft bread, and a small mound of rice. Kian, hidden deep in the shadows, watched the delicious scene with hungry eyes. A dry tickle caught in his throat from the dust and cold. He tried to swallow it, but he couldn't. Ahem! Rashid instantly looked up, his eyes sharp but kind. "Whoever you are," he called out gently, "please come forward and share my meal. The portion is enough for two." Kian, trembling from relief and hunger, gratefully joined the light. As Kian ate until he was full, he explained his day of waiting for guaranteed provision. Rashid smiled, wiping his beard with the back of his hand. "Kian, God is the provider, yes. But if you hadn't coughed, how would I have known you were here? You had to make a sound." Merely thinking about a goal has no effect. If you want change, act now. Even a small action will open a path. From you the movement, from God the blessing.